Ningbo Keyi Electric Appliance Co. Limited, established in 1995 in Cixi City, Ningbo City, China, has a plant area of 40,000 square meters, specializing in the production of washing machines, spin dryers, air coolers, electric fans, and kitchen appliances. Our factory has 300 employees, 6 production lines, and a daily production output of 10,000 units. The injection molding workshop has 50 injection molding machines with an annual output of 3.2 million units. We have 2 laboratories, 20 instruments, and complete testing equipment. The factory has ISO 9001 and BSCI certifications, and the products have CB, CE, RoHS, CCC, and other professional certifications. This is the sample room of the factory, which contains washing machines, spin dryers, air coolers, solar rechargeable fans, and small kitchen appliances. Our products are popular in more than 69 countries. Making them ideal for sale in Europe, Africa, Asia, South America, and other regions.